Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to customize the WooCommerce emails straight from the box. This is what the email looks like. It's going to be the WooCommerce purple. It'll have the order information, and then at the bottom it'll have your site name and it'll say built with WooCommerce. It's not terrible, but of course we want it to match our branding a little more. So what you do is you go over to your site, go to WooCommerce, go to settings, then go over here to emails. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. From name, so I'm going to do, this is the from name, from address. You're going to want to put, your address. Header image, if you want to add a header image, what you have to do is go over to your media library, and I'm just going to grab a random image. Click on the image, copy the file URL, paste it there. The footer text, you can leave site title, and you can add thanks so much for shopping with us. It's a lot like editing the description on TPT. You can add a link if you want. The base color is going to be, you want to change that to whatever color your logo is. The background color, if you wanted to change that, you can. I'm just going to change it to show you. The body background color, you can change that as well. We'll make that one, let's make that purple. And the body text color, you can change that as well. We'll make that super bright green. This is going to be like the ugliest email ever. So I'm going to click Save Changes, and then I'm going to do another test order, and I'll show you the email. Okay, I did a super ugly email because I just wanted to show you where the various colors show up. So the background color is just going to be the background of the whole email. The base color is mostly going to be for this little header right here, and some of your text is going to be in that base color. The body background color is going to be right here, and then the body text color, most of the text is going to be right there. And then of course you have my link here. This is our footer text that we edited, and then that's our header image that we did right there. You can also just click here to preview your email template if you want, if you don't want to actually send an email, and you'll see it looks the same. I just wanted you to see it actually in someone's email address. So I'm going to go here and fix this and make it look, obviously more appropriate. So the base color, we can leave that as green. Background color, I would either use white or maybe a light gray. The body background color, we're going to leave that one white. And the body text color, you could do a different color. I just want to do black right there. And so you got to click Save Changes, and then click here to preview your email template. You have to save before you preview, or it uses what you did before. And see, that looks very, very nice. So you could put your logo up here, or you don't have to put anything there at all. And then the rest will be auto-filled. So that's how to update your WooCommerce emails.